President of State Branch of Preventive Medicine. SARS branch is Community Medicine. Then I am going to introduce Professor Dr. Sujata Misra, presently is the Superintendent of Fakir Mohan Medical College. Ma'am was born and brought up outside Orissa. Though she was born and brought up outside Orissa, but still continuing the Odia's ethos and cultural and ethnic fervor of Odia. And I have seen her, the magnanimous appearance and the intelligent out-fervor of many a times, whatever it may be in administrative field, it may be in academic field. And just a few words of the achievement of Madam. Actually, the FOGSI is the largest organization of the world, having 30,000 members, where Ma'am has represented as the Vice President of Eastern Zone, and she has brought the laurel for this department. This is Obstetric and Gynec department, making 3 research papers. Out of these 3, 1 has already been published and 2 are going to be published. And in the Madam's achievement feeder, there are 2 laurels also has been added. Ma'am has achieved in the year 2005, that is Radhanath Award for Humanitarian Services. And in this continuing year itself, on the Teachers' Day, she has been awarded as the Utkal Gaurav Samman by the state organization. And I have seen her ethos and enthusiasm towards the work and the lovable attitude towards the students and the very hospitable attitude towards the colleagues and the juniors. And she believes in hard work and she believes in group functioning and a very inspiring personality. Then last but not the least, I am daring to introduce another one dignitary of the dais, that is Vice Principal from HOD Manorama Swami, Professor Dr. Manorama Swami. She belongs to Biochemistry Department and she owes the fervor of simplicity and affection. She is the name of affection and simplicity, and she has also added 1 to 2 laurels which are very rare to her career. She completed her undergraduate from MKCG, then completed her postgraduate from SCV, and then assimilated in Jet Premier Institute for a pretty long time. And after getting promoted to the professorship, she has been posted as the HOD of Fakir Mohan Medical College, Baleswar, and for the last 1 year she is serving as the Vice Principal. And to her laurel, she has achieved Brigadier Ramesh Sinha Award at national level in the year 2003. This is a national level award given by the AMBI, the very faculty of her itself, Association of Medical Biochemists. Many a time she has chaired the sessions in her field. She was the state representative in AMBI from 2002 to 2005 for the last 3 years. And last but not the least, a very unique kind of work she is doing now. A unique book she has published in biochemistry itself. Preparatory book for MBBS exam in the referred subject itself. Now the 6th edition of this book is going on. A very cool and calm and very creative personality. Really we are honored enough to get these kind of big dignitaries on the dais. And the Herculean task, colossal task that has been given to me to welcome the attendees of this grandiose function, and I dare to welcome once again And in a simple word, I can say, you all are gods on the earth because doctors are viewed as God by the patients. They are healing touches and soothing words besides treatment. In fact, cures patients faster. The hundreds of people who are sitting here, really they have to carry forward the ethos and pragmatism of this profession. And actually in a 2 to 3 words I can say, I am just welcoming the gods being a non-god. I am a non-medical professional who is daring to welcome these gods. These tiny little gods who are sitting in front of me have to serve a lot for the society. And I can say Professor Dr. Santosh Kumar Sir, our chief guest, as the Brahma, who is the real creator of these tiny gods or little gods, because doctors are still regarded as the gods from this earth. As a non-medical professional, I have little to say, but to expect from these budding doctors having tremendous potentials to blossom and distribute their fragrance in the society at large without discrimination, proving justice to their noble profession. I am very much optimistic. All of you reach high. Someone will be at home, others will be at UNICEF, and some others may be in the big healthcare system. We are expecting a lot from you, students. And most importantly, I have to just introduce, now we have 300 students and this is the 4th year is running, and the institution is in a nascent stage still, and it has gone to far away, and we are expecting a lot from you, my dear students, and the dignitaries who are on the dais. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.